Now, the last point is just VBAFE. You can also create programs because there is no FPDI available. Either you create it manually or you can also use a visual builder add-in for Excel. What it does, it integrates a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet with your web application to retrieve, analyze, and edit business data from the application. These are the steps. So you can download and install this VBAFE, and then you can download the XLSM file and program XLSM file. Connect to the Oracle application. You can create a program, update a program, delete a program, associate program stakeholders and members, associate projects with programs, and remove projects from programs. So this is an alternative, right? But you cannot give this to everybody because it is REST API driven and anybody can delete the data also, which will be very risky. So special security is needed for this. So I think that's it for this session. What I predict is that in future releases there will be further improvements in this. I think a lot of things Oracle has given in this, but some of the limitations we talked about, definitely Oracle is going to add upon as it starts getting feedback and more clients start using this program management feature. More inputs will come and they will keep on enhancing this Redwood feature. But it was very important to be there because I have seen in banking industry, big banks working in the form of programs. I have seen construction clients working in the form of programs. IT consulting definitely is working in the form of programs. Professional services organizations working in the form of programs. So almost every big company also working in the form of programs. And that is why you hear the terms like some people have designations as project managers, some people have designations as program managers. And hence they really need this feature.